Imagine sending money across borders and having it automatically converted into the recipient's local currency, all in a single operation, settled in under 5 seconds, and for a fraction of a cent. This isn't a futuristic promise, it's a reality I've been implementing for clients through one of Stellar's most underrated capabilities, pathpayment. Throughout my 20-plus years in IT, few technologies have impressed me as much as this one. As I've spent the last several years architecting tokenization and cross-border payment solutions, and pathpayment consistently proves to be the piece that makes traditional financial intermediaries nervous, and for good reason. What pathpayment actually does? Pathpayment is a native Stellar operation that lets you send one asset and have the recipient receive a completely different one. For example, you send BRL-backed tokens, and your counterpart in Argentina receives ARS-backed tokens, instantly. The magic happens through Stellar's built-in Decentralized Exchange, DEX, and its liquidity pools. When you initiate a pathpayment, the protocol automatically searches for the most efficient conversion route across available order books and pools. This is why it's called a path. The network may route your transaction through multiple assets, e.g., BRL USDC ARS, to find the best possible rate. There are two variants. You define exactly how much you send, the recipient gets whatever the market yields. You define exactly how much the recipient gets, the network calculates what you must send. This flexibility is critical for real-world scenarios like remittances, payroll, and merchant settlements. Why the fees are genuinely revolutionary? Let's talk numbers, because this is where the impact becomes undeniable. Traditional remittance corridors, think Western Union or SWIFT-based transfers, carry average fees of 6% to 8%, according to World Bank data on global remittance costs. On a $500 transfer, that's $30 to $40 vanishing into intermediary pockets. A path payment on Stellar costs approximately 0.00001 XLM per operation, currently a small fraction of a US cent. The currency conversion itself happens at market rates determined by the DEX, without hidden spreads inflated by banks. In a project I led, we processed cross-border settlements for a fintech and reduced their effective transaction cost by over 95% compared to their previous SWIFT-based process.